In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset the S22 Ultra. The back of this phone looks so cool. This is just a phone that was laying in the shop that didn't have a back glass on it. So I'm kind of just showing off the the internals a little bit. But let's get started. I want you guys to look for the power button and the volume keys. So we're going to press power and volume up at the same time. I want you to hold both of these for about 5 seconds. Release the power button when the Samsung logo comes up. This should initiate the recovery menu. Now here we go. The recovery menu is enabled. We're going to use the volume keys to navigate this menu. So we're going to press volume down to go down to wipe data factory reset. Once you're there, press the power button to select that. And then now volume down to go to factory data reset. Press the power button to select that. And then that's it. Press the power button again to reboot your system. The reboot has been completed. That's it. Easy peasy, y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like your boy's channel. Oh yeah, thank you.